In this video, we will see how we can execute Python in Node.js. First of all, let's go to the documents and create a new folder, and let's try to open that folder in VS Code. We just initialize a Node project. So I'll just give all of them as default ones, and I will just go to the package. I will change the main file which needs to be executed to app.js, and I will create app.js. After that, I will just add a start script, so that will be executing node app.js. And now let's try to install npm express package. So we need to change the node project name. I will just add it as a test, and I will try to execute npm express, so it will install npm package. So now what we can do is import that express package in our node application. So we'll just listen to the express server like which we created in our application. So let's console.log for now. So now in order to listen to this, we need to write app.listen in the port 3000, and when it successfully starts, I will just add console.log started listening at port 3000. So now it is running at port 3000, and now I will go to the browser and try to hit the port 3000. So we are getting hello printed. So in order to send hello back to the server, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that now. And if you haven't getting the hello printed, so we will just send the response back in the line number 9. We are currently trying to execute Python code here. So child process will give a spawn object, and using that spawn we can execute the Python code. For that, we will just create a script.py. Currently we will just print hello from Python. So now let's try executing this. Before that, we will just add console.log whatever the data we are getting back from the Python. So now let's try to hit the API. So we are getting hello from Python. So this is getting printed from the Python code. So now we will just write data, and response.end. I will just add end as a string. Now let's try to hit the API. So we are getting a response multiple times now. So what we can do is, now let's see how we can pass the arguments in here. So for that, what we need to do is we need to add after the in the array. So I added 1 and 2. So let's try accessing this using this syntax. This I wanted to show you, because this is not the right way of accessing the arguments which are passing from the Node.js. In order to access arguments from the Node.js, so we need to use a library. For that, we'll use system. We need to import the system library for that. So we'll get that system dot argument of 1, and we need to import that sys. Now when we try to execute it, we are getting 1 as a response. Similarly, if I add 2, we are getting 2 in the response. So now we are able to pass the arguments successfully from Node.js to Python. Thanks for watching.